About time. Desks from Global Industrial finally came. Only took damn near 3 weeks. But they're here. This is putting a polyurethane coating on them so that when you spill stuff in it, you can clean it off rather than it just getting absorbed into the wood. There's a lot of cool stuff you can get on these desks. So before, everybody had a 2-foot space that they could work in, 2 to 2.5 feet. There was one 9-foot long desk that 4 people were sharing. And now, one person gets a 6-foot desk. They get their own shelf. Paul's got all these cool attachments to his. So he's got the desk, the shelf, the rack thing there to put all of his little bins, this for his TV, and that for the phone that I imagine is probably never going to get plugged in. But this is cool. So he's building his. There's lots more to unpack and go, but this is exciting. People are actually going to have real workstations, the actual real workstations per person. And here we have the return of the Xiaomao over here. I don't know why there's socks in it, but there's socks in the Xiaomao. These are the 2 televisions. We're not sure exactly where I'm going to wind up going with the front counter yet, so I haven't hung these yet because we have to figure out exactly where that's going to go. But yeah, we're just setting up all the desks and finally arrived here. Shelving. Yeah. I also have this thing over here. It's $700 whatever air scrubber, because the last time I remember when Paul was putting the polyurethane on his desk, that smelled so bad I had to leave the room for almost the entire day. It was god awful. I can't stand the smell of that stuff. But I actually can barely notice it now because of this lovely little air scrubber. By little I mean takes up the entire table. This thing's really cool, but it's really loud. Yeah, very noisy, but I'm glad that I got it for moments like this. Even though we didn't have any asbestos, I figured, this is a waste. Might as well return it. But for stuff like this, when you're pouring chemicals onto a desk to coat it, this smells so effing bad when you don't have this thing. But this is pretty cool. So we still have a lot to put together, a lot to do until I can really start to making videos again. We moved a lot of stuff out of 186, like a lot of stuff. Not nice, not really nice looking yet, but everybody's here on a weekend when a lot of the people are not usually here, just to kind of try and clean everything up. And over there, that's Erica eating McDonald's chicken nuggets. Really? McDonald's? I can't believe you're eating McDonald's. Over here, I picked up another one of these VLF 48 cleanroom benches. I just got to replace the filters. The one that Steve got, I don't know how he did it. He got himself a Pure Air VLF 48 cleanroom bench for $600. That other one that he got, $600, and the filters were clean. I got a new filter set for both of them. So a new HEPA filter set, as well as a pre-filter set for this one and his other one. I did my best to find the deal. The best I could find was $1,200 shipped. They claimed it doesn't work, but all this bench is fan spin. Like, that's it, just fan spin. And, well, if there's anybody here that knows, anybody in the world that knows how to get fan spin, leave it to us. We got fan spin, so we're replacing the filters in this, cleaning it out. We're going to have 2 of these side by side. It's going to be beautiful. These things have really, really nice specs. It's just if you look at the HEPA filter for it, I think the filters for each unit come out to about $600 or $700, and then after shipping, to get 2 sets of filters costs about $1,700 or $1,800 for this thing. So the filters actually cost more than the unit, but this thing's pretty cool, so I'm going to be happy to set that up. This is my life right now. Piles and piles of boxes. But it's, lot to come up, lot to do. These are the folding tables I got to use in the meantime. I'm most likely going to wind up just using these if we go back to teaching classes in the office. If I do wind up doing classes or tutoring again, I can break them down after it's done and put them back up when it's time to teach again. Yeah, lots of work to do. I gotta say, I wasn't expecting this thing to be that good, but it's very rare that I buy a product and it actually does what it's supposed to, or much less actually impresses me, but I really don't smell any polyurethane right now. Yeah, see y'all later.